To make these pistachio energy bites, you'll need pistachios, dried cranberries, dates, chia seeds, and honey. This recipe is so quick and it comes together in about 5 minutes. Start by chopping about a 1/4 cup of dates. Now, dates are a dried fruit that are high in carbs, but those carbs come from fructose and fiber. Because it's so high in fiber, dates have a low glycemic index, which means it won't spike your blood sugar like other foods. A 1/3 cup of dried unsweetened cranberries, and I use a 1/2 cup of pistachios. Now, pistachios are a great plant-based protein. I'll tell you more about that in a second. And a tablespoon of chia seeds. I like to use honey in these energy bites for the distinct flavor that honey brings. But you can also use maple syrup as a sweetener for a vegan option. Add your ingredients to the bowl of a food processor, starting with the dates, pistachios, and dried unsweetened cranberries. So back to those pistachios. Pistachios are complete protein, meaning that they have all 9 essential amino acids. Most plant-based proteins can't boast of being a complete protein, but pistachios can. And chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for heart health. They're high in fiber for good digestion and are also a good source of protein. Now, pulse in your food processor to chop. Once you have small bits and pieces, add in your chia seeds. Continue to pulse until you have small pieces. You don't want to create a powder or puree. You just want to use your food processor as a shortcut to chop all of those sticky and rolling ingredients together. Add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup and continue to pulse until the mixture starts to clump together. It may not form a ball, and that's okay. You can form it into a ball on your counter. These energy bites are great snacks for when you need a little something to carry you until your next meal, before or even after your workout. See how it looks when the mixture starts to clump together in the food processor? This means it's ready and you can remove the mixture from the food processor and place it on a flat surface to roll into one big ball. I like to get all of those little good bits. The easiest way for me to create equal portions is to keep dividing sections into halves. This recipe will give you 8 energy bites. So I divide the whole thing into half. Then again, and again. I place one little section into the palm of my hand and roll it into a round shape. I do this for all 8 sections. These pistachio energy bites are so delicious and are so easy to make with just a few ingredients. Keep your energy bites in the refrigerator for an hour to harden and store these in the fridge too. Then grab 1 or 2 when you have the urge for a high protein, high fiber snack. Follow me for more easy recipes. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you won't miss anything new.